Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your Zoho Books subscription. Whether you're expanding your business or need access to more advanced features, upgrading your plan ensures you have the tools necessary to manage your finances effectively. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to zoho.com/books. Once you're on the page, you'll need to log into your Zoho Books account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the account associated with the subscription you want to upgrade, as this is crucial for accessing the right billing settings. After logging in, look towards the top right corner of the page where you'll find the gear icon. This icon represents your settings and is your gateway to managing various aspects of your Zoho Books account. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with multiple options. From the menu, locate and select Manage Subscription under the Organization section. This option controls all aspects of your current plan, including billing cycles, plan features, and upgrade options. Clicking this will redirect you to the Zoho Store subscription page, where all the available plans are displayed for comparison. Now you'll see different subscription tiers laid out before you. Take a moment to browse through the available plans and identify which one best suits your business needs. Each plan comes with specific features and limitations, so choose wisely based on what you require. Once you've decided, click the Upgrade button under your chosen plan. You'll be taken to a detailed overview of the plan you selected. Review the plan details carefully to ensure it includes everything you need, then click Continue to proceed with the upgrade process. Next, you'll need to enter or confirm your billing address in the Billing Address section. This information is essential for invoicing and payment processing, so make sure all details are accurate and up to date. After confirming your billing address, choose your payment method from the available options. Enter the required payment details, whether that's a credit card, debit card, or another accepted form of payment. Double-check that all information is correct to avoid any payment processing issues. Before finalizing, carefully review your order summary. This summary displays the plan you're upgrading to, the cost, and any applicable taxes or fees. Ensuring everything is correct at this stage prevents billing errors down the line. Finally, click Make Payment to complete the upgrade. Your subscription will be updated immediately, and you'll gain access to the new features included in your upgraded plan. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.